Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Sam Froster. I'm back with the Mavic 2 Pro. Now I'm sorry for the late upload. I had to come back with something. Here it is, DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Amazing drone, top of the line Mavic there is. I just reached 2,000 subscribers. Thank you for that too. I appreciate all of your support and love, even though I wasn't uploading for a long time. Now the effort I have put into getting this thing is a lot, trust me. I bought another drone for this, so it was another Mavic 2 Pro, but that drone got detained in my country's customs because I do not know why. So I bought another one. I just lost 200,000 rupees. Now I know that a lot of people have already done this, the unboxing thing and the tutorial and all of that, but I don't really care, you know. Okay, so this is the box of the Mavic 2 Pro. I'm gonna make this quick. I also got the Fly More kit. Got the seal off, and voila. Here we have the drone itself. This is the drone, the remote, the battery pack is in here, and the wires, the USB Type-C. So this thing is a big change. I've never used any drone before. This is my first drone, and I'm really anticipated about this, the antennas and stuff, you know. So here we have the drone itself. This is the drone, the body, the propellers are in one of the boxes. This is the drone, nice looking Mavic 2 Pro, huh? This is the gimbal protector, the Hasselblad, a 1-inch sensor in there. This is the bad boy I wanted. The professional grading system it can offer, the more dynamic range, and the things we like. The folding arms, infrared sensors, the visioning omnidirectional system, which means it does have some blind spots. It's not all covering area sensors. So yeah, let's put this aside as well. So we've got the charging brick in here. Let me just show you that real quick. So the brick supports the remote charging and the charging for the batteries as well. Quite nice feature, not the previous drones. Then in the end we have this little box hidden in there. Got the propellers in here. But there are 3 of those, 2 for extra. Yep, these are the 3 propellers. We got some writing materials. That's all that we have in the box. Ta-da, bye-bye. Now for the Fly More kit, I also got this. You can tell that this box is pretty destroyed because it stayed in the cargo area for a long time before I got it released. I wasn't able to get the drone released, but I got this thing released. I would give you guys an opinion that do not, if you live in Pakistan, if you live in my country, do not order this thing online because it's a sensitive case here. Even though our country is full of these things and everybody's using them, but still you cannot get them through the airport or customs. So this is the thing I'm excited about, the new bag they've made up, weatherproof type of feeling out of this bag. So we're gonna open this bag up real quick. The zippers here, you see the weather sealing things right here, the weather sealed zippers. I suppose I'm not sure if it's waterproof, but it seems like water resistant. We've got the strap and everything. So charging station for the batteries. We've got the batteries right here, brand new batteries. The car charger, because you know DJI knows that you're outside most of the time with your drone. You're gonna be needing this thing a lot. So yeah. Now that's all that there was in those boxes. So yeah, right after getting this thing out, you're supposed to remove the stickers and you're supposed to get the batteries charged, all 3 of them. Now the way to get these things out is first you're supposed to pull these out. First the wings out or whatever, then the lower wings out. Just like that. So you're supposed to get the upper ones out first, then the lower ones in the second. After that, you're supposed to remove this gimbal cover right there. This gimbal cover is protecting the camera, you know, it's keeping it in place so it doesn't shake around and scratch itself. I'm gonna get this thing charged and I'm gonna obviously take it out for a ride. If you want another video where I'm just taking it outside, because obviously I'm going to be posting a lot of cinematics on this channel from now on. I have an Instagram page, Sam Froster Official. Go check it out. All my cinematics, all my professional work that I do for the people, the clients I get. Go check it out, Sam Froster Official on Instagram. Currently the batteries are being charged. It is a nice drone. It's an amazing drone actually. If you're looking forward to get into the world of aerial photography, cinematography, I totally recommend getting this because it is the easiest drone to fly. It's got all the sensors, all the features you can ever have, because DJI always listens to their consumers and all of that. So in the meanwhile, I was also setting up the app, because without the app you cannot work this drone out. This is the most important thing there is you have to do. And if you want me to make another video about full detailed review of setting up your drone, a Mavic 2 Pro, just tell me in the comments, come on. That's it guys for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like. You know, just don't give it a like. SLS, you know what that means. Subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Comment down below what do you want to see next with this drone or with whatever I have. You all know what I have. I have a brain. Do not lose hope, even though I did not upload for a long time. I know, I'm sorry. A lot of good stuff is coming up. Professionally looking good stuff, if you know what I mean. Do not lose hope, because your hope is what keeps me going. Thank you.